Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you what's new in the latest Lightroom Classic 15.3 April 2026 update. You can now start a mood board using Firefly within Lightroom Classic. Earlier, there were options to generate a video from an image or edit an image using Firefly. Now, there is a third option to start a mood board. To do this, right-click on the image, go to Generate using Firefly, and click on the option called Start a Mood Board. Once you click on it, Lightroom opens the image in Firefly. So the image is now placed on the canvas. You can place the image wherever you want and can also resize the image accordingly. You can send up to 10 images for a mood board. You can just select all of the 10 images, right click on it, generate using Firefly and start a mood board. So this will open up the service again in Firefly and all your images are now loaded as a mood board in Firefly. I'll just place this here, zoom it out, and now you can see all the images here in Firefly. There are 12 new film-inspired presets that have been added to the latest update of Lightroom Classic. To explore this, go to the Develop module and expand the Presets panel. Here, search for the presets group called Style Film Inspired. Here you can see around 12 presets that are having different film-inspired styles to it. You can just navigate upon each of the presets to see how it renders. This look beautiful for this image. So I'll just click on it and it's done. So you can try this on your own images and let me know in the comments below which preset you like. You can also go to the profile section here and then check for the film inspired profiles. There are some film inspired profiles here which you can select and choose your edits accordingly. One of the major updates this release is you can run all your AI edits in background. For example, earlier if you had to apply the AI denoise on multiple images, Lightroom was locked. That is, you were not able to do any of the edits in the background. But now, all these operations are in background. So let me show you how it works. So I've selected some of the images here and let me apply the denoise for it. Now let me click on denoise. You can see a new overlay here which says the AI process is running on this photo and editing is temporarily disabled. However, you can move to any of these images and then start editing on them. This gives you more flexibility to edit your images or even cull them while the AI edits are being applied on the earlier set of images. One thing important to note here is, while the AI denoise is applying on all the 11 images, and you can see in the film strip panel that there are these yellow stars, which means that AI edits are being applied on them. One thing to note here is, you cannot apply a AI edit until the operation is completed. So when you click on sky, it says that the AI adjustment runs in the foreground and cannot be applied while another AI process is running. So we'll have to wait until this operation is complete before we run an AI edit on any of the other images. Another useful update that has been added in this release is when you try to export an image that requires an AI update which is pending. Let us try to export this image and I'll click on export. So Lightroom analyzes that this image has a pending AI update. So it throws you a prompt before you export wherein you can click export and Lightroom updates the AI settings and then exports it. So you click on export. So there is a AI process which is running, and then once that is completed, the image gets exported. So there's a very useful process in our workflows. There are also some performance improvements, especially with respect to the way sliders are moved. For example, let us take this image which has some edits and also some masks in it. So now, when you try to move the sliders, it is pretty fast and more responsive. So there is also support for PSB syncing in this update of Lightroom Classic. You can sync PSB images from Lightroom. These were some of the features that were part of Lightroom Classic 15.3 release. Let me know in the comments below that which feature excited you. If you like this video, please share this with your friends. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you'd like to know a tutorial on any particular feature, be it Lightroom or Photoshop, let me know in the comments below and I'll do my best to bring out a video for the same. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one.